Let's solve this question on the screen. The question says we should evaluate lim x minus 9 all over what? Square root of x minus 3 as s extends to 9. The golden rule, always start with what? Direct substitution method. Let's substitute the value of x into this function. When x equals to 9, we're going to have what? 9 minus 9 over what? We take the square root of what? 9 minus 3. Then 9 minus 9 all over, what is the square root of 9 is 3 minus 3. Then we're going to have 9 minus 9 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. Anytime we have 0, this is not the end of the solution. So we need to use another method. And that method we are going to use is called what? Factorization method. You can use the L'Hospital rule and you can use factorization method. Let's use factorization method. Before that, do you agree with me that 9 is the same thing as what? 3 raised to power 2? Yes. Also, do you agree with me that open bracket square root of x all square is the same thing as x? You may not agree, you may agree. If I decide to cancel this, I'm left with my x. So if I have square root of x is the same thing as x, I've not changed anything. So at the denominator level, we are going to apply this rule. This x we are seeing, we are going to write it as what? Square root of x all square minus, you see this 9 that you are seeing, we are going to write it as what? 3 raised to power 2. Then everything is all over what? Square root of x minus 3. What is the wisdom behind this? We want to apply the difference of 2 square. And for it to have the difference of 2 square, we have to make the power to be the same, so that this denominator can cancel the numerator. Now that we are going to apply the difference of 2 square, which is what? If you have a square minus b square, is the same thing as open bracket what? A minus b, close bracket, open bracket, a plus b, close your bracket. So what we are going to do now, we apply difference of 2 square at the numerator by having root x minus 3 all over what? Root x plus 3 all over what? Root x minus 3. In this case, you have already applied the difference of 2 square at the what? The numerator. Now at this point, this can cancel this. Now we are left with what? Square root of s plus 3 over 1. That means we now have square root of s plus 3. Now remember that when the s extends to what? 9, we are going to put the value of 9 into this x. So then we are going to have square root of what? 9 plus 3. And what is the square root of 9? Is 3. Then we are going to have 3 plus 3 and it's equals to 6. So it means that, I hope you have already subscribed. Thank you. Lim s minus 9 over root s minus 3 as s extends to 9 is equals to 6. Please subscribe, share and follow. Let others benefit. Thank you. Bye.